Libby, show me your minion slippers. Show the minion slippers.
They're for your
to the
slippers.
camera.
Oh, cool.
They're for my slippers.
Let me see them.
Look what you got. Look at your toy.
Oh, that is so cute. I'm totally
Look at
going to
mine.
put that on my bed today.
Look,
What else do you have, Olivia?
a new cup.
Dora cups.
It's really dark in here.
Dora
You can barely see Nan.
cups.